y'all, today I bring to you yet another lookbook video because the last time I posted one was in August and that was a while ago. Okay, actually a little random blurb. I did film another lookbook, but that footage was never used because when I was looking through it I didn't like how it came out, so I just scrapped all the footage. But here is this one that you're seeing now. The outfits range from mini skirt to bib puffer, and I know you're thinking, what mini skirts? Why would you include that in a cold weather outfit video? Well, I am glad you asked that because I also provided a little layering tutorial, which you will see now. First, I'll be showing how I layer outfits with pants. Starting with tops, I use a tight-fitting cami as the underlayer. Next, I add a thermal or other tight-fitting long sleeve like a turtleneck. Ideally, the first two layers are more tight-fitting because that allows for easier layering later on. Then I'll add a loose-fitting long sleeve or a sweatshirt, and on top sometimes I like to add a short sleeve for extra flare. After that, I add a hoodie. I love zip-ups because you can either have it fully zipped or show a bit of what's underneath. For pants, sometimes I'll layer some fleece leggings underneath for some extra warmth, and then I'll add my pants. Obviously, we gotta have the outerwear, and personally I really like black puffers because I feel like they just go with everything. Maybe I'm a little biased because most of my closet is either black or dark colors, but they're just so versatile. Lastly, I like to add a scarf to really lock in the warmth because I feel like my neck always gets cold. And here is the finished look. Y'all, I feel so warm right now. I think I am overheating. I am very warm. I'm very warm. And now, skirts. First, I start off with an underlayer consisting of a thermal top, fleece leggings, and tight shorts. I like to put on tights over the leggings because I feel like the fleece tights make my legs look suspiciously smooth. After that, I put on my skirt of choice. Longer skirts like midi skirts would definitely be warmer, but I just really love mini skirts. Going back to legs again, I add some thigh-high socks and leg warmers for extra warmth. This is optional, but hand warmers are perfect if your hands get cold super easily. On top of the thermal, I add another long sleeve, sometimes a collared shirt if I'm feeling fun that day. Then I add a patterned or funkier looking short sleeve. After that, a blazer or another jacket. Cardigans or hoodies would be another great choice. And obviously, we gotta have some necklaces because they just make any outfit more fun. Not gonna lie, this fit might still be a little chilly depending on the weather, so I usually add a leather jacket or another larger jacket on top. And here is the finished look. This also brings us to the end of the layering tutorial, and now let's move on to some other outfits. For this first outfit, I went with my current favorite combo of a large leather jacket and a teeny tiny vest. There's just something about this combo that just scratches my brain. I don't know why, I feel very cool and mysterious in it. I don't think I'll ever get over leather jackets because I just think they're very versatile and they just always make you look super hot. For the second look, I wasn't really sure what I was going for, but I like how it turned out. But if I were to wear this out, I would definitely add another layer on top. But I really like the idea of layering a plain cami over a tight-fitting long sleeve. I think that's because it reminds me of Hannah Montana, but honestly, she is a fashion icon. And I also added some earmuffs just for fun. For this third outfit, we have a skirt look, and I mostly went for a black theme, but I think the pops of red in the blazer and the shirt add some more excitement. And I also chose to wear some bigger boots with this look just to make it a bit more warm, even though I would definitely, again, add a jacket if I were to wear this out. This next outfit is another outfit with a skirt, and I think it's definitely more suited for warmer winter days, but I went for a black and red theme once again because I just love black and red. I layered a hoodie and cardigan over a white button-up. I really like ties, so I added a tie with this one, and I also added some leg warmers for extra insulation on the legs. This outfit is basically the same as the last one, but with pants, and I think I like the last one more just because I like skirts more overall, but I just want to show another variation of that outfit because skirts aren't always the most practical when it's cold. Moving on, we have an outfit with the same red top from earlier as well as a leather jacket once again. Spoiler alert, this is not the last leather jacket you will see in this video, but I just paired that red top with some flared jeans and Doc Martens. These jeans are actually a little too long on me, so I think the platform shoes work out perfectly, and I also wore some fun little rings. For this next look, it is once again a black and red outfit. I chose a red plaid mini skirt to match the red on the sweater, and I also just think the plaid pattern makes the outfit a bit more interesting to look at. I wore my platform Docs once again because they just go with every outfit. This next outfit is basically the midi skirt version of my first outfit, but I just feel so mysterious in it. Like I feel like a cool girl you would see on a train ride. And I am reading a cool and mysterious book. But moving on, for this outfit, it is a completely different vibe than the last two, and I went for a looser silhouette. This outfit is pretty accurate to what I usually wear to school because it's comfortable, it's warm, and it's also pretty epic. But I love the look of long pants with super tall platforms. It makes me feel very powerful. This outfit is basically the same as the last one, except I removed the tie and I put a graphic tee over the button-up. My favorite thing about this button-up is that it has an aggressively large collar, and it kind of just makes me feel like a vampire whenever I wear it. But I think in general, button-ups just look great alone or layered. Once again, I am styling another outfit with this black puffer, but this time I changed the top and the pants. I went for a more cropped fit with the top just to switch up the silhouette a bit, and I really like the beigey color that it's in, as well as the tiny little text. I wore earmuffs as an accessory because they are both practical and cute. And for shoes, I am once again wearing my Doc Martens. Keeping the same pants as before, I switched at the top and I also added a hat. I really love this top in this outfit because I think the string detailing is really unique and I don't really own any tops like it, and I also just love the spider web graphic at the front. I think layering a bolder top underneath a plain puffer is great and it makes an outfit more fabulous. And will you look at that, I finally switched out the black puffer. I adore the way that the pattern on the sweater vest looks with the color blocks on the puffer. I think it creates a cool mismatch effect, but it still goes together, you know? And finally, we are at the last outfit. I apologize for the atrocious lighting. I did not realize how quickly the sun would set, but for this outfit, I wore a collared shirt, a cardigan, and a leather jacket, and some green pants. I really like that most of this outfit is black, and the white collar and the green pants just add a nice contrast, juxtaposition, if you will. And of course, I am once again wearing Doc Martens. Alrighty, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the outfits I showed and maybe found some inspiration. And if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up so I know, and also comment which outfit was your favorite. That is all for now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.